Cargo pants is a must-have for every guy's wardrobe. Not only are they stylish, but they are also the most practical pants on the market with this plethora of pockets. In this video, I have 5 items from a brand called BlackTailor. They are a streetwear brand created in 2017 that exclusively specializes in cargo pants. Plus, their designs are something that I promise you that you've never ever seen before. I'll be doing a detailed review on 4 of their cargo pants and 1 bomber jacket. And hopefully this video helps out anyone who's thinking about buying from them, so keep watching. Let's start off with the bomber jacket. This is the cream oversized bomber jacket in a size small. This jacket is made from 100% nylon. For the features, this is a classic bomber style jacket. It has the signature knit ribbings at the neckline, cuffs, and waist. The ribbing has a lot of stretch, so it not only fit you better but also feel more comfortable. Jacket has a total of 5 pockets. It has 2 pockets at the stomach, 1 pocket at the left chest, 1 pocket on the right arm, and 1 pocket in the interior right side. Zippers are high quality plastic YKK zippers. The inside lining is a quilted nylon and it feels very smooth, which makes sliding this jacket on and off super smooth and easy. As you can see, the jacket is extremely well padded, nothing was skimped. The puffiness of this jacket will keep you warm for sure. Here's how the bomber jacket looks on me. This is in a size small and I do recommend going true to size. For reference, I'm 5'10", 160 pounds. The jacket is an oversized fit and has a puffy aesthetic, especially at the arms. At the back, you can see how wide the shoulders are to give off that oversized look. This cream colorway looks great and will pair well with a lot of different outfits. Here's how the jacket looks zipped up. There's plenty of room for your chest and you should have no problem layering something underneath. The jacket is very comfortable and will keep you warm. Overall, I'm very impressed with the style and comfort of this jacket. Next item we have is the V3 cargo in tan that retails for $68. This is a skinny fit cargo that is made from 97% cotton and 3% spandex. The waistline is elastic and can be adjusted from these 2 drawcords. The BlackTailor logo is stitched on the front area. For the features, these pants have a total of 6 pockets with their signature 2 large side pockets that's fastened through Velcro. The pocket flaps have a very cool detailed design that gives off this layered illusion look. At the back, there are 2 large square-shaped pockets. On the right side, you'll see an orange BlackTailor tag stitched on. What makes the V3 cargo so unique is that there are 2 diagonal slits on both legs that look like you've been slashed by a knife. At the leg opening, these cargos feature a zipper cuff that you can adjust for a more tapered and wide leg opening. Here's how the V3 cargos fit. These are in a size 30 and I do recommend going true to size. The V3 cargos are labeled as skinny fit, but it's only skinny from the knee down. From the knee up, I noticed there's plenty of room for your thighs and hips with this 11-inch thigh opening and 20-inch hip opening. From the knee down, it has a very narrow 6-inch leg opening. It is skin tight on your calves if you decide to zip the cuffs all the way. Because of the tight fit on the calves and long 32-inch inseam, it creates a stacked pants look. The orange BlackTailor tag gives a very subtle pop of color that looks great. The draw cords are extra long, as you can see it goes well below my crotch. Side pockets are huge as it takes up the entire side of the pants. Overall, I'm really enjoying the unique design and look of the V3 cargos. Next item we have is the X3 cargo in brown that retails for $68. This is a regular fit cargo. This is made from 100% cotton. The waistline is elastic and can be adjusted from these 2 draw cords. The BlackTailor logo is stitched on the front area. For the features, these pants have a total of 6 pockets with their signature 2 large pockets on the side and is fastened through Velcro. At the back, there are 2 large square-shaped pockets. On the left side, you'll see the BlackTailor tag stitched on. What makes the X3 cargo so unique are the 6 Velcro strips on the side of the leg. This design really caught my eye because it's so different and something that I've never seen before. The Velcro strips are adjustable if you want a more tapered leg opening. Unique designs like this is what make BlackTailor stand out from other brands. Here's how the X3 cargos fit. These are in a size 30 and I do recommend going true to size. These are regular fit cargos. For the knee up with this 22-inch hip opening, there's plenty of room for your hips even for the thickest of guys. At 11.5-inch thigh opening, there's also plenty of room for your thighs as well. From the knee down, it does taper slightly to a 7.5-inch leg opening for a more refined look. The Velcro strips on the side of the cargos help give the pants more structure and gives off a very straight fit look. You can see the signature large side pockets that takes up the entire side of the pants. At the back, the orange BlackTailor tag gives it a very subtle pop of color that looks great. Overall, the design on the X3 cargos are so special that it makes it a must-have. The
pants are also so comfortable with this 100% cotton material, and the straight fit on this looks great. Next item we have is the X6 cargo in green that retails for $68. This is the regular fit cargo in green. This is made from 100% nylon. The waistline is elastic and can be adjusted from these two draw cords. It also has two buckles that is perfect to hang your keys on. The BlackTailor logo is stitched in the front area. For the features, these pants have a total of 6 pockets with their signature 2 large side pockets that's fastened through Velcro. At the back, there are 2 large square-shaped pockets. On the right side, you see an orange BlackTailor tag stitched on. At the leg opening, these cargos feature a zipper cuff that you can adjust for a more tapered or wide leg opening. Here's how the X6 cargos look on me. These are in a size 30, and I do recommend going true to size. These are advertised as regular fit cargos, but I do think that these are the slimmest regular fit cargos from BlackTailor. There's plenty of room from the knee up with this 19.5 inch hip opening and 11.5 inch thigh opening. From the knee down, these cargos taper aggressively to a narrow 6.5 inch opening, but you can adjust the zipper cuffs to a wider leg opening. The 100% nylon material does feel a bit stiffer compared to 100% cotton, but nylon is a great material because it's more abrasion resistant, waterproof, and durable. Overall, the fit on the X6 is one of my favorites out of the 4 cargo pants. Last item we have is the X7 cargo in black that retails for $74. This is a regular fit that is made from 100% cotton. The waistline is elastic and can be adjusted from these 2 draw cords. The BlackTailor logo is stitched in the front area. For the features, these pants have a total of 10 pockets. Yeah, you heard that right, 10 pockets. At the side of the legs, you have a large pouch that is fastened through a zipper. Layered on top of the pouch, you have a smaller pouch that is fastened through Velcro. Below the knee, you have a smaller pouch that is secured through Velcro. I've never seen pants with pockets below the knee before, so this is a first for me. At the back, there are 2 large square-shaped pockets. On the right side, you'll see an orange BlackTailor tag stitched on. At the leg opening, there are 3 snap buttons. This is also something I've never seen in pants before, but I'm really loving the unique design and details from the X7 cargos. Here's how the X7 cargos fit. These are in a size 30, and I do recommend going true to size. The X7 cargos are regular fitting cargos. From the knee up with this 19-inch hip opening, there's plenty of room for your hips even for the thickest of guys. At 11-inch thigh opening, there's plenty of room for your thighs as well. From the knee down, it does taper slightly to a 7.5-inch leg opening for a more refined look. No need for fanny packs or sling bags because these cargos have a built-in pouch that's the size of a mini bag integrated on the side of the pants. This makes it very convenient if you carry a lot of stuff. At the back, that orange BlackTailor tag gives it a very subtle pop of color to its all black pants, and it looks great. Overall, the pants are very comfortable, and the relaxed fit and large pockets make this one of the most practical pants on the market.
So after all that, is BlackTailor really worth it? The material craftsmanship is one of the best I've ever seen. Every pair of cargo pants are designed with so much detail, and their designs are so unique that it makes it stand out from every other brand. If you check out the website, they have so many different styles that I promise you'll find something that you like. Also, don't forget to use my discount code MEN'sFashionFiles10 to save 10% off your next order. So check out BlackTailor, and I promise you that you won't be disappointed. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.